Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiki Well. I'm coming to you guys again with another crochet video. I actually wasn't, going to do crochet. I went to the store to get some, expression hair to do single braids, the knotless single braids, the big ones. So I was like, I want something different for a change, but I went to the store by my house, the beauty supply by my house, and I ran into this. Okay, so I had to bring it home. And plus, it's super cheap, $11.99 per pack, 3 bundles in a pack. I only needed 3 packs. Yes, we had to get it, okay? So this is Goddess Locks, Bohemian Goddess Locks by African Nature Braid. That's the name, African Nature Braid, okay? This is 22 inches long. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm like back against this door here. Closet. And yeah, it's very pretty. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video. So the hair we're gonna use is the Bohemian Goddess Lock right there, and it's by African Nature Braid right there, okay? And it is 22 inches long, and it comes in many other colors, okay? And yeah, there's 3 bundles in one pack. Now I don't know how many locks you have in each bundle, you know what I mean? I'm gonna let you guys know as we go on. And guys, the reason I bought this hair, very cheap. You guys, you know me, I like my cheap. $11.99. Most pack of hair that have 3 bundles and long, it's like $19.99 or $21.99. Actually, the butterfly locks was $21.99. The passion twist that had 3 bundles, or how many? It was $19.99. This one, $11.99. So I bought 3 packs. That's a total of what? 32. Okay, well, let's just say $35, $36, anywhere from that. I mean, plus tax, you might get up to 40. Yeah. And mind you, this is in California, so I'm guessing this other places is way cheaper, and maybe even cheaper online. Okay, guys. So this is the Goddess Locks. This is what we're gonna use. Has a lot of curls, so I'm hoping it's gonna be, real pretty. Now, of course, you all know how we do with our hair. We go ahead and we pat the hair. Forgive my ashy body. Don't be judging me. I always tell y'all, stop judging. Be nice, okay? So, I pat my hair in the middle to do the braids, that. And then we braid 5 on each side. So, of course, we pat in the middle, and we do 5 on each side, right? That's what we decided we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this side. Now, the 4th one is what I split and made it into a fork this time, okay? Like so. And that's it. And we normally just join the cornrows on one side into one single braid, join the corner on this side into one single braid, like braid it into a single braid, and then crochet it within the cornrows, okay? That's what we do. So let's see how many we got. And this is what it looks like. Now, taking that out of the pack. Don't that look cute? I really like, okay, love it. So this is like the Goddess braid or single braid, but only this is locks, okay? So Goddess Locks, that's what they call it. I mean, 12 in a bundle, 12 of them in a bundle, which I think that's good. So in the pack, we have 12 times 3, so we have 36, okay? In the pack, which is good. And I bought 3 packs. So how many is that gonna be on my head? 36 times 3. Okay, I can count. Okay, so we're gonna get started. Again, you guys already know that I normally would do just about 5 or 6 for this and this cornrow. 5 or 6 for this and this. And then we will increase it as we go, because like I said, I don't really care to hold it up in a bond. I really don't care to do that. Some people do. I always just wear it down or hold it like back, but holding it up, it's just something I have to do, okay? So we go in, when we're doing the right, we go in using the right hand. We all know that. If you've watched me, if you've been watching me for a while or have been to any of my other videos, you know that even though you're right-handed, I'd say use your right hand for your right side and left hand for your left side, because it just sits better. I'm back to show you my hair, how far I've gone. I was not able to come back more often like I normally do to show you, different steps, different levels, whatever. This time I've done this whole part of it, which to me it's my left. I don't know if it's my right to you guys, if this is gonna flip or whatever. But it's my left side, it's all done. And again, looking back, I had my like 5 cornrows on that side, and then I did the 5th cornrow on the right side already as well, because my focus is actually this cornrow, and I've done these other cornrows to the side. We're almost done here, and so we're going to install here so y'all could see. But if you've been following me for a while or watching my other videos, you already know how to do this. One thing I'm going to say about this particular hair is that it's this. See how it looks? Now, I can't complain because I'm always complaining about it being too small. This one is wide enough. I mean, way too wide. And then sometimes it can just, while you're doing it using the pin, it can just become really messy. Okay, so you have to be careful when you install this. So some of them can come off really rough, like this one. You see this one really rough, at the end here. So you want to install it carefully so it's not this rough. And I might take that one down because it just looks bad. So anyways, of course, you know how we install our crochet over here. We go under the braid, we put that up, and then we pull. Okay, and let's make it smooth because this is the one that is in the front, and then we pass that through. But when you do, make sure that this hair goes through as well, like so. This, the curly piece also goes through. Okay, so it's not stuck out there. So that's how we do that. I don't know if I want to add one more here. Normally I would leave that cornrow showing a little bit, but today I feel like adding hair. Right? Every day I feel different how I want it to look, and today is just, yeah, a different day, period. And that's how I want it. And so let's make sure we pull that through, this extra hair. Sorry, let's make sure we pull that through and make sure this does not become too rough like this one. Okay, so guys, I'm going to I have more hair left sitting out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to like just feel around and see where I need to add more of this locks, maybe in the back here or whatever, row needs a little bit more crochet, and then we will see what it looks like, the final look. Okay, I'll come back and show you guys. Okay. Hey guys, so for the completed look, of course I got my face done, but I really love this hair. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I'm very satisfied with it. Now this is not the path, this is the path right here. It's a very small path, but you know how crochet gets, it goes wider and wider as time goes on. So the pad is really tight right now. That way by the time it gets old, it doesn't look too bad. You know what I mean? So this is the completed look of this crochet style. Okay, and this is just really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I think there's a goddess braid type where it's not locks but it's braids, and I'm sure that looks just as pretty. I'm going to turn around and we'll see how full this looks. But you know me, if it's locks, I really don't care for it to be so full. All I care about is for the hair to look pretty. If it's braids or like just synthetic hair or human hair or just real hair, then I want it to be full. So this one, Loving it. I'm going to turn around for y'all to see. Now, there are probably holes in my hair and all that in the back, but it is fine, okay? So if you like this look, go ahead and get it done. This is, again, the Bohemian Goddess Locks by African Braid, Natural Braid or something like that. Hang on a second. Yeah, I'm right. So, the Bohemian Goddess Locks by African Nature Braid collection. And then it says Eve Hair, evehair.com or something, but I bought it from my store. I didn't buy it online, but it says Eve Hair, and then it says evehair.com. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join this family. Let's do live together. Thanks for watching. Bye.